Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 53, cubes and cube roots, section A, easy, let's start. The units digit of a cube of a number is 9. Therefore, the units digit of its cube root is, so this you'll have to use trial and error. You multiply any number, means one digit number, and check what you get. Then multiply it again with the same number, will you get 9? Only 9 is such a number which when you multiply 9 into 9, 81. Now 81 into 9, something we don't want a full number. 9 ones are 9 at the end, right? Similarly 19. 19 19s are 361. 361 into 9, 9 ones are 9 last, and remaining number we don't want. So that is the question. The units digit of the cube is 9. So the units digit in the cube root will be 9, right? Next, the length of each side of a cubical box is 2.4 meters. Therefore, its volume is dash cubic centimeters. Here, it is in meters, and this you wanted in centimeters. That's the only catch. Remaining problem is easy. Cubical box means simple cube with equal height, breadth, and width. Means all length, breadth, and height same. So that is basically cube. So what will be the volume of that? Length into breadth into height. So same, multiply it. You will get 13.824 cubic meters or meter cube. But do you want it in meter cube? You want it in centimeter cube actually. So keep it as it is, 13.824 into what is 1 meter and centimeter. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.